Hello traders, today is the 13th of February, Thursday 2020, and I would like to share with you today's best forex trade analysis. Just to recap, these are the intraday analysis with a live RD squawk support. As you can see on the left hand side is the analysis and the right side is the trade taken based on that analysis. Kiwi dollar, as you can see, this was a pretty straightforward triangle pattern, beautiful breakout short trade today. And pound yen, as you can see, we had a consolidation breakout, beautiful. And after this breakout, we announced as long as the momentum is bearish, any pullback towards the momentum, we is a potential opportunity, and we announce the rest of the trades through live audio commentary on pound yen. Dollar yen, pretty straightforward. If you look at the analysis, we mentioned here for look for the pullback long at this level, but you can see we haven't seen any green candle. And as mentioned on the analysis, if the price break and retest, which you can see the price broken and this support and retest, that's the beautiful short trade on dollar yen. Aussie dollar, pretty straightforward. This was the consolidation breakout. As mentioned on the analysis, we were expecting a pullback at this level, but you can see we haven't seen any green candle. We took a breakout, and rest of the trades we announced through live RD commentary on pullback short trade in Aussie dollar. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward. Triangle pattern breakout short trade, and dollar Swiss franc, pretty straightforward. As you can see, price nicely respected and beautiful short trade, and we banked some profit as soon as the price hit to the support level. Kiwi dollar, again, we had it another triangle pattern, as you can see mentioned on the analysis, and our first target would be the first fib channel, which price nicely hit to the first target. Aussie dollar, pretty straightforward. Again, this was the triangle pattern breakout, beautiful long trade, price hit for the first target. And euro USD, as mentioned on the analysis, we were expecting a counter long trade. As you can see, we had a beautiful, very short counter trade because we closed it. We had seen that price failed to break this orange EMA, and we just get out at the break even. But as a part of the analysis, this was the one of the analysis we were looking at counter long trade on euro USD. Pound yen, pretty straightforward. This was the triangle pattern breakout, beautiful as we expecting here, as mentioned on the analysis, pullback, and we banked some profit as soon as the price hit to the support level. Another short trade on pound yen. Dollar yen, pretty straightforward. This was the London morning session analysis. As you can see that we had it, and this pullback short trade, banked some profit, and we announced another, because if you look at the bottom, the momentum was developing bearish, and price nicely broken and hit to the first target. Beautiful short trade breakout on dollar yen. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward. If you look at the analysis very carefully, you can see this was the triangle pattern. We were expecting a here. We were expecting a pullback. Price did not develop any pullback, even broken. And once the price broken and retest, as you can see, broken and retest, and that's we announced to look for the long trade on pullback after the, let's give us the confirmation. Beautiful pullback long trade on pound dollar. Pound yen, pretty straightforward. This was the consolidation breakout, beautiful long trade on pound yen. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward. We announced as soon as we bank some profit, and then we announced another price develop another pattern. As you can see, price develop another beautiful pattern, and price nicely broke on this pattern based on the momentum. As you can see, bullish momentum. We were expecting a breakout bullish, and price nicely hit to the first target and the final target. Beautiful breakout long trade on pound dollar. Pound Swiss franc, pretty straightforward. As mentioned on the analysis, we were expecting a breakout. As you can see, the price nicely broken this triangle pattern, and we announced the rest of the trades through live audio commentary. Beautiful breakout and pullback long trade on pound Swiss franc, and price literally hit to the final target, which is overbought fib channel. Euro pound, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis. As you can see it, price nicely hit and to the resistance, and we took a short trade and we banked some profit. And along the way, as long as price develop a pullbacks and broke on the previous low, we announced that rest of the trades through live audio commentary. We can see today we have seen that very strong bearish momentum on euro. As you can see, beautiful pullback short trades on euro pound. Dollar Swiss franc, as mentioned morning, we had this analysis, and as I always mention, we always keep an eye the price move pattern. As you can see, based on the momentum, we had it another pullback long trade on dollar Swiss franc. Dollar euro yen, pretty straightforward. As you can see, based on this analysis, beautiful breakout short trade. And pound dollar, as we mentioned, if you look at the analysis, we were expecting a pullback here, but as mentioned here, if you look at this sign, little bit sign, we mentioned to traders, guys, if the price gonna break this orange EMA, then we should be looking here. As you can see, we mentioned here, so we should be looking at another long trade, which we announced through live audio commentary, and we said bank some profit as soon as the price gonna hit to the previous high, because today we can see some bullishness on pound dollar. Pound yen, pretty straightforward breakout short trade. And dollar yen, we had this breakout this morning, and as always after that, basically we keep an eye on the pattern, new pattern develop, pullback short trade on dollar yen. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward, we had this trade and we banked some profit. We can see some sort of rejection, and we announced that another triangle pattern is performed, so we should be looking a breakout of this triangle, and price nicely broken, another beautiful long trade. We always looking forward trades towards the momentum and the trend. We had such a beautiful ride on pound dollar today. Pound yen, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis, beautiful pullback long trade. Euro yen, pretty straightforward. We had this breakout, and afterwards, as always mentioned, look for the pullback. That's the first priority based on the momentum. As you can see, beautiful pullback short trade on euro yen. Euro USD, most of traders was looking counter trade, but I said to my traders, guys, we should be trading what we see it, not what we think about it. As you can see, the price develop another consolidation. I said, guys, if the price gonna break either way, we should jump into the trade. As you can see, the price broken, and beautiful another short trade on euro USD. Pound Swiss franc, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis. Beautiful based on the momentum, a very strong bullish momentum on cable, and we announced another trade on the pullback. Beautiful pullback, long trades on pound Swiss franc. Pound yen, pretty straightforward pullback, long trade, another small trade on pullback. As you can see, based on the momentum, we're always looking towards the momentum, and you can see another beautiful pullback, long trade. Pound dollar, another beautiful small long trade on pound dollar. And euro pound, as mentioned on the analysis, beautiful. As you can see, price develop another small consolidation and respect this resistance. Beautiful, and price nicely respect this resistance and develop a pullback. Beautiful pullback short trade on euro pound. All right, guys, that's it for today. And if you want to watch live intraday analysis in real time with the live audio commentary, most welcome to join our professional trader community at forexeasytrades.com. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for the latest analysis. And thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time with more analysis.